Welcome to Employment Law This Week. I'm George Whipple. Recent advances in AI technology dominate the headlines, and New York City employers are preparing for a first-of-its-kind law to regulate the use of automated employment decision tools. Epstein Becker Green's Nathaniel Glasser has more about the law, which will be enforced very soon on April 15th.
Local Law 144 became effective on January 1st, but the agency tasked with enforcing the law, the Department of Consumer and Worker Protection, has delayed enforcement until April 15th. The DCWP has issued proposed rules that provide guidance on the implementation of the law, but it hasn't yet finalized those rules. Local Law 144 applies to every employer with employees in New York City that uses artificial intelligence, machine learning, or a similar computational process to screen candidates for employment or employees for promotion within the city. If an employer wants to use an AEDT for hiring or promotion, then it must give advance notice to candidates that they'll be assessed by that AEDT, including identifying the job qualifications and characteristics evaluated. It must allow candidates to request an alternative selection process or accommodation. And finally, it must conduct a bias audit of the tool no more than 1 year prior to using it, including posting a summary of the results of that audit. This audit must be conducted by an independent third-party auditor, and where possible, it must utilize the employer's own data. Employers should start planning now. Many times, organizations may not even know they're using AEDT subject to the law. So we recommend that in-house counsel and HR teams conduct an internal review to determine whether they're using AI in the hiring or promotion process, and if so, whether the AI tools are covered by the law. Employers who currently or may plan to use AEDT should begin working with counsel to identify an independent auditor and start the process of formulating a bias audit, which can require significant time and effort. Even if the AI is not subject to the New York City law, taking steps like preparing a bias audit could be helpful in defending the use of that AI in response to challenges under other related laws or regulations.
Thanks, Nathaniel. Employers can take a deeper dive into the specifics of the law at Epstein Becker Green's webinar on March 8th. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you next time.